The Autonomous State Demand Committee has alleged that Difu Civil Hospital has taken away by the state government. Now, the regional political party is demanding for immediate return to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, considering the pathetic condition of the poor people of Karbi Anglong. The regional political party also claimed that common behavior of the state government to take away department one by one and also interfere to day-to-day function of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by the state government. This was informed through press note here on Wednesday. Following the ban on PUBG mobiles and other 117 Chinese mobile apps by the Indian government amidst China's provocative actions at the line of actual control, Airtel Beijing-run media Global Times has made a statement on the latest apps ban. China's Global Times says that this has been done by India to deflect the attention. The Chinese media also says India's latest move to ban 118 Chinese apps on Wednesday is an ill-intentioned move to deflect attention away from a potential collapse due to coronavirus and the crippled economy in India.